everyone, I'm your Sasha here. Hope you're doing well. With your blessings, even I'm doing well too. I thank each and every one for your great support. Please share my video as much as possible. It's my humble request. Whoever not yet subscribed to my channel and watching my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to get updates on new videos. Today, I'm going to talk about 15 crazy things that exist only in Japan. Japan is well known for its own inventions. Some of them are crazy and some other are genius. You know, Japan has always had a reputation for its distinctive culture and unique traditions. And without a doubt, Japan is one of the most innovative and creative societies in the world. Japan is known as the land of rising sun, but it could also be called as the land of singing toilets, the country of blue traffic light, and the country of vending machines. So, prepare to raise an eyebrow because I'm going to list 15 reasons why no country will be so crazy and wonderful as Japan. The first one is crazy vending machines. You might be regular at the office vending machine afternoon craving hit, but dispensers in Japan aren't just for snacks and drinks. Machines selling sushi, socks, bottle flying fish, surgical masks, and canned carrots all can be found in Japan. Then again, you can also find vending machines that's selling coffee, beer, and shake. Maybe soon you'll find this Japanese ice cream that never melts inside a machine. The second one is water saving sink over the toilet supply tank. A dream of those who care about water saving and ecology. The supply tank gathers water from the sink when it is used to wash our hands, making you utilize it twice. Great idea, isn't it? I wish to have it in our country too. The third one is square watermelons. Watermelon is a popular summer fruit in Japan. We all have seen only circle-shaped watermelons, but in Japan, watermelon get interesting, odd, and super expensive. Yes, the shape of the watermelons is square. Square? Square watermelons were first designed to fit more compactly in fridges and also to cut more easily. But since they have become more decorative items, and Japanese farmers didn't stop at square shapes either. Other shapes include love hearts and triangles, which are grown in special containers or holes and takes a year of practice to get their shape right. The fourth one is fancy toilets in the world. Spending some time in the bathroom is a fact of life, so why not make it comfortable, right? So keeping this idea in mind, Japan has invented a smart toilet. It's not uncommon to find one that makes noise and blocking uncomfortable sounds, gives off perfume, raises a seat automatically, warms the seat, plays music, or has a built-in bidet. No wonder Western tourists can sometimes find them a little confusing, right? The fifth one is unique Kit Kat flavors. Kit Kat is one of my favorite chocolate. When it comes to chocolate, we all might have tasted the same flavor, but the Japanese have a different predilection, foods and beverages, but also Japanese have more options. Kit Kat are no exception, and there are more than 300 different flavors, including soya sauce, European cheese, wasabi, grilled corn, miso, and sweet potato. Isn't it amazing? The sixth one is blue traffic lights. Almost universally, red means stop and green means go. If you're in Japan, tough. You'd have to wait for a long time waiting for the traffic light to turn green. In that country, the go lights are more of a turquoise color or aqua color, and in some areas, they're just plain blue. The seventh one is Bunny's Island. And bunnies are my favorite animals. If you think of an island, the first thing that strikes your mind is water. But in Japan, the island that is occupied is Onashima. Better than, it is known as the Rabbit's Island. It's probably the cutest and attracts thousands of travelers every year. The eighth one is train delays make national headlines. Japanese trains are among the most punctual trains in the world. In fact, trains are expected to be so punctual that if it is 5 minutes late, the railway company may issue an official delay certificates to provide proof for employers or appointments. If train is delayed for an hour or more, they should announce it in the newspaper as a national headline. Ninth is kids clean their own schools. In Japan, cleaning one's own classroom and school is part of their school education. Students as young and first graders set aside time every day to clean and maintain their classrooms, serve lunch to their classmates, and even clean the toilets as a part of the tradition called Osoji. So let's learn also to do our own work and lead an independent life. The 10th one is the world's shortest escalator. The world's shortest escalator is located in the basement of Moore's department store in the city of Kawasaki. It has only 5 steps and it is just 33 inches high. Not sure why, maybe some old people use it. The 11th one is a silent karaoke microphone. During festivals, marriages, and many other occasions, people sing very loudly and disturb the other people. If you don't want to bother others with your scene or you're just too shy to sing out loud, this mic will help you out. It muffles your voice, so only you can hear it. 12th one is a cafe for lonely hearts. If you feel awkward sitting alone in a cafe, there's an option for you. When you have come without any company, the staff will place a soft toy in front of you. Now you're not alone. That's cute. The 13th one is turning train seats. If you don't like sitting with your back in the direction of travel, you can just turn your seat in whichever direction you want. That's great. 14th one is a ramen noodle bath. Japan has centuries-old traditional bathhouses. No matter you think even the other countries have the same. What's big in that? Here is a twist. In Japan, some people bathe in vat of pork soup and ramen noodles. You might ask why? Why would they do that? Good question. People are very concerned about having beautiful skin and they know the effect of collagen which is contained in pork-based broth. As a bath, everybody can have fun and take advantage of healthy elements and ramen noodles. Something crazy, isn't it? The 15th one is sleeping on the job. In most countries, being caught napping is not very good looking, right? But in Japan, however, it is totally acceptable because it is a sign of hard working, not indolence. Some companies even allow employees to take 30-minute siestas anytime between 1 p.m. or 4 p.m. and it is not accepted even it has an own name. Good employees are being well treated in Japan. Let's hope for the same in our country also. I hope my video was very unique and informative. Thanks for watching and stay tuned until my next video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's me, Sasha signing off. Bye-bye.